Top of the Clad. They got our portable unit here at the new site. They got 6 of them ready for us. So we're gonna go through, put the cover strip, slap the Clad metal on, and get the gutters and new downspout hung up. We got hopefully get a couple done per day. So we're at Kirchgater now. We'll go to the next one. They're getting the Clad metal up there. Got the cleat metal it snaps into on the perimeter. Got to cut the dens deck, fill in this little gap. They had these units split in half. They just towed them over and squished them back together. Get the bags, tools, start filling her in. And you got one strip of single ply just to cover the top. Fucking nail it. Whoa. No bars. Why you face nail it? You ever used a nail gun before? It's fucking single ply, guys. You know what I'm saying? So we got the edge metal on. We got to cut a 6-inch cover strip, weld it down, cover the joints. Fucking done deal. Pre-seal's on it. Filling in this joint right here. We have these units separated. Now that they're put back together, got to infill the dens deck. Nobody wants to me. Here. Fucking single ply guy. Look, he still don't know how to work his nail gun. Get your game on. Go, roof. Julie, you wanna get the blower? Hot tar, shingles, metal, tile. Coating, single ply. I don't like EPDM. I don't fuck with that shit. Real roofer, not just one system. You know.
Single ply season.
Yeah, but I'll make more money on hot tar than single ply right now. But some people that do want it, then okay, we'll do it. Like last year we did one school, Sacramento, city of Sacramento. They wanted a hot tar roof and we did it. And it went for a lot more than the single ply roof now. Just because of the liability, the insurance and shit. I still think it's a better roofing system. I drive one screw right here, step on it, it's a leak. I found bullets, a 45 shell bullet, halfway in a cap roof. And it's the hot tar sealed up around the bullet and it's still not leaking, bro. Like, it's a legitimate bulletproof roof. So Fuck Singleply and this little trash. Let's go back to hot tar roofing. Look, we're getting popular. We got a lot of people on the ground starting to stare up here. They're like, what the fuck are these roofers doing? Before you can weld it, you gotta clean the seam. It's a little moist from the morning dew. Get it dry, get it clean. Right here on the laps. It's easy money, man. Fucking fastest roofer alive. Almost flew off the roof, my boy. No matter if you're shingling, you're cleaning, whatever you're doing, you're the fucking fastest roofer alive. Weld it. It's taking the morning, walking the dog. Out here at Elk Grove Unified School District. My favorite part about Singleply is just walking the dog. Probably the easiest way to make money out here. They don't let anyone just touch this machine. Trained professionals only. Shout out Roof Master, supplying us with the Veramats, servicing them. Get all your roofing tools, accessories through Roof Master. Tell Pat Drew sent you. Get you taken care of, man. Yeah, man, I don't ever really formally introduce myself on these videos, but it's Drew Clark with Clark Roofing. Fucking best fucking goddamn roofer walking the West Coast right now. And I stand on that.
Third generation roofing sensation. Hello.
You fucking know that too. Got hot tar on my go yard. Come on. Fucking Canada. Fucking BD, best damn roofer. My boy. Need to settle down out there, my boy. We're banging flat roofs, slope roofs, your mom's roof, it don't fucking matter, my boy.
Come get some fucking P-dub.
Some P-dub. My boy's making $70 an hour doing this shit. You don't barely even pay your fucking crew. Got the cover patch done. Get the cover patch over the edge metal. Slap the cover strips on and get the fuck up out of here. There's gonna be one down and 5 more to go. See how many we can knock down today. Question right now is if we're gonna go to the Western States Roofing Expo in Las Vegas. They usually host Malarkey hosts the shingle tournament. Competed in that a couple years ago and I got whooped on by this dude from Alaska. Homeboy threw a whole bundle of shingles on his fucking knee and shingled up a piece of plywood in like fucking 2 minutes, bro. So I gotta go to the shop, mock up a little tester, see who the fastest fucking shingler is at Clark Roofing, and take their asses to Vegas. Yerk. All right, we got our cover strip put in, got our gravel stop going all the way around, drip edge metal at the gutter side, our cover strips installed, little details are done. They'll come back once we have all the gutters and downspouts to get those put up, but for now we're gonna clean up, break it down, and head over to the next portable site. Let's go. Herberger Elementary. This is more of an active site. Don't really want to have the camera up there too much with kids and teachers walking around and whatnot. So I'm just gonna bust out this second portable, see what time we finish up, and decide whether we're gonna go for 3 or call it a day after that. I'll let you know how it goes. You're 2 portables down. Two down, 4 more to go for 1 GC, and then it's about 6 more to go for another GC. Get up out of here.
Keep listening for your next chance to be there.